This is one of those cases that proves how something completely meaningless can spiral into something life-altering in a matter of seconds. Not a robbery. Not a bar fight. Not some dangerous neighborhood. A car wash. 2 lanes. A posted sign. A line that would have delayed someone's day by no more than 30 seconds. But ego doesn't measure time in seconds. Ego measures everything in respect. Savannah Bruce is sitting in her Subaru, waiting. It's a warm day, and she's got her windows down. She doesn't like to run the air conditioner while sitting in a line, says it wastes gas. Fair enough. She's relaxed. Or at least she thinks she is. Then Diana Belfont pulls up. Both cars inch forward at the same time. Neither driver backs down. It turns into that awkward, silent battle every driver recognizes: who's going to blink first. Judge Judy later calls it exactly what it is: stupid. Savannah admits they jockeyed for position for about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And then Diana does something that instantly escalates everything. She gets out of her car. Right there, Judge Judy's courtroom collectively knows. This is where the bad decision happens. Diana walks over to Savannah's car, not the driver's side, but the passenger side. Savannah's windows are down. And then Diana leans in. Her head goes inside the car. Savannah describes the moment as pure panic. She says she didn't exchange words. She says Diana was yelling. She says she went straight into fight-or-flight mode. Judge Judy listens carefully. "You were cursing," Judge Judy says. Savannah agrees. Yes, she was cursing. Diana wasn't, but Savannah was. And then Savannah admits the critical fact. She grabbed the nearest object she had. She swung it. She struck Diana. Savannah minimizes it. She says it was just to get Diana's head out of the car. She claims it was a Pringles can. She insists it wasn't meant to hurt anyone. It served its purpose, Savannah says. She got her head out of my car. I pulled away. To Savannah, that was the end of it. To Judge Judy, that was just the beginning. Because what Savannah thought was a quick escape turned into police reports, hospital visits, lawsuits, and a courtroom reckoning. Savannah sues Diana. Diana countersues Savannah. And when Judge Judy hears that Savannah had the nerve to sue after what happened, her tone shifts. The level of your arrogance, Judge Judy says, is astronomical. Judge Judy asks the most important question: do we have a police report? Yes. There is a police report. And it does not help Savannah. According to the report, Savannah told police there was no physical contact. Judge Judy pauses. That's not what you just told me. Savannah tries to explain. She says she told police she didn't hit Diana with a water bottle. Judge Judy doesn't raise her voice. She doesn't need to. That's not what it says here. Then comes the detail that seals Savannah's fate. An independent witness. A man named John. He doesn't know either woman. He has no reason to lie. He has no stake in the outcome. He was just another customer waiting behind them at the car wash. John watched everything. He told police, both drivers were merging. Neither one would back down. Diana got out of her car and approached the Subaru. Savannah struck Diana with a canteen-style water bottle. Diana was hit in the mouth. The Subaru made an awkward multi-point turn and left. Judge Judy focuses on one detail. John saw Diana get hit in the mouth. Judge Judy looks directly at Savannah. If her face was inside your car, as you claim, the witness wouldn't have been able to see that. Silence. Now Judge Judy shifts into full lecture mode, not emotional, not theatrical, but devastatingly logical. She says she understands how these situations start. She understands anger. She understands frustration. But she makes one thing very clear. Words are words. Angry words are still just words. You do not get to turn an object into a weapon because someone upset you. Whether it's a Pringles can. Whether it's a water bottle. Whether it's not meant to hurt. Once you swing it and it causes injury, it becomes a dangerous instrument. Judge Judy reminds Savannah of the lesson every child learns. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but names will never hurt me. Then Savannah tries again. She was basically spitting at me. Judge Judy shuts that down instantly. Don't use the word basically like a 26-year-old, she snaps. She was yelling. When people yell, spittle comes out. Savannah claims she felt threatened. Judge Judy's response is brutal. Grow up. Then the case turns deadly serious. Because Diana didn't just walk away with a split lip. Diana had a pre-existing heart condition. Under the law, Judge Judy explains, when you assault someone, you take them exactly as they are, including their medical history. The stress. The injury. The confrontation. Diana ended up in the hospital. She needed stitches. She suffered a heart attack. Savannah tries to shift sympathy. I have a kid to support. Judge Judy doesn't flinch. I don't care whether you have 10 kids to support. She explains it plainly, Diana is not responsible for Savannah's job loss. Diana is not responsible for Savannah's finances. Diana is not responsible for Savannah's future. Savannah is responsible for assaulting someone. Savannah insists she isn't responsible for the heart attack. Judge Judy cuts her off. You are. And then she delivers one of her harshest truths. If you lost your job because of this, good. If that's the kind of temper you have, good. She even suggests Savannah reconsider her line of work, especially driving strangers around if she can't control her reactions. Finally, the verdict. Savannah's case, dismissed. Diana's counterclaim, granted. Judgment, $10,000. We're finished. Outside the courtroom, Savannah insists she was terrified. She says she thought Diana might have a gun. Diana says the arrogance was unbelievable. That Savannah should never have put herself in that situation. Judge Judy leaves the audience with the real lesson. Stay in your car. Yell if you must. Gesture if you must. But don't get out. Don't approach. Don't swing. Because no car wash, no line, no ego is worth a split lip, a hospital bed, or a heart attack. All of this. Over 30 seconds. That's Judge Judy Justice.